I don't know if the camera can see what's on the screen here. But let me just foreshadow here. When's our test? Do we all know when our test is?
Next Thursday.
Yeah, it's next Thursday. Okay, so go to the physics website, and I'm just going to zoom this thing right in on the screen and see if it'll. Will it take a picture of that screen? I don't know. We'll just see. Oh, I can see it on here. Maybe there's a good fighting chance that it'll. Okay.
You can see it.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll zoom in there, right? Take a look at here, just go whoop over to here, IB Solutions, right? We're in Dynamics, study for questions for the Chapter 4 test, so click on that. And this is just everything, okay? I wrote these questions in net force. I wrote these questions on the test. They're the same questions, okay? If you go in there and do number 4 and 10 and 11, if you can do pre-quiz 4.1 number 4, and by the way, this is very bad news for a lot of us, right? Because number 4 is one that I think we batted about 300 on that one, okay? So number 4 is there's a lot of questions. In fact, there's 2 questions just like that one. Tension and acceleration with SUVA. You're going to have to solve a problem, okay? You have to solve a problem like this where you've got a force up. I'm going to give you the mass, right? But you're going to have to figure out the weight down. You're going to have to be clever enough to say the force minus the weight is m times a. A is going to be positive, a is going to be negative, okay? Are you going to get it right? Are you going to get the positive and the negative? You got to put it all together, okay? So take these problems apart. The pep talk here is that the test is hard, but I tell you so much about what's on the test, okay? So take a look, box sliding across the floor, right? Study, read this section, 4.6, okay? Because I'm asking you to make a diagram. I've never talked about this diagram before. I haven't put it on the whiteboard, okay? But it's in the book. The people that go and read the book are gonna get it. They're gonna go, oh, okay, that's the thing that I just read and studied, okay? The rest of you are gonna go, what the heck, right? Okay, so take a look at that. Read that section there. It's like these net force problems on the net force worksheet. Do you know what we're talking about? Okay, so look at that. We've got acceleration, a force problem with SUVAT. Okay, that's also like a pre-quiz question. Page 3 is an inclined plane with friction. And these problems right here, 1B, you notice that there's 5 questions on the test. I've picked out 5 questions from inclined planes. Do you suppose they're the exact same questions? Yeah. Yeah, this is, by the way, the most remarkable similarity between the test question and the questions that are, there they are, right? That's why I wrote inclined planes, because before I couldn't say, you could honestly say you never assign problems like the ones that were on the test, right? So take a look at that. The statics page is very much like this pre-quiz and skill set we're doing today, but also read section 4.6, because here's this one here, right? It's a vertical equilibrium problem for a box on a plane with a string supporting some of its weight, okay? If you look at this section 4.6, especially pay attention to figure 4-16 and look at example 4-5. Do you suppose 4.5 is a problem just like the problem that's on the test? Yeah, they're just really, really similar, okay? So the people that take the time to actually look at this between now and Thursday, that's somewhat a lot of time, right, are going to figure it out, and the people that don't aren't going to figure it out. Okay, so there it is. Okay, now check this out, okay? Not only do we have those problems that you can check out, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Did I just pull out like examples and whiteboards that were just like the test questions? Make sure I'm in the camera. Okay. Using weight, acceleration, find the force, box going down it. Did I even make up a problem? Did I make up a problem that's like the test question that we didn't even have on our whiteboards? It's amazing. Oh my gosh, is that oh my, look at this. Better study. Wait, what did I say?
Oh my
Better study, it's like net force, better study them too. There's also one with Suvat. Okay. Inclined planes, look at that. Oh my gosh, there's an example problem. We've got questions. Statics, draw a picture. So it's like this one. It's just like the equilibrium one. Oh my gosh. I even wrote a problem. I made PowerPoint slides that didn't. Let's have just a little applause.